Hello to you, my subscribers and returning subscribers. So, one of the biggest news today is the arraignment in court of Chidinma Adaora Ojukwu, the lady who allegedly murdered the Super TV CEO named Yusuf Ataga. Chidinma pleaded not guilty to the murder of Super TV CEO Yusuf Ataga. The 21-year-old Chidinma and University of Lagos undergraduate pleaded not guilty when she appeared at the High Court in Lagos on Tuesday. Mrs. Adaora Ojukwu, together with other suspects, Adebayo Quadri, they are facing 8-count charge of murder, stealing and forgery, among others. While Mr. Quadri also pleaded not guilty to the charges against him. Chidinma Adaora Ojukwu's sister, Chioma Ebuchu, who was also arraigned in court, pleaded not guilty for receiving the late Mr. Ataga's iPhone 7. Of course, the trial will properly begin on November 9, 2021. The two defendants, they are facing 8-count charges, which include conspiracy, murder, stabbing, forgery, stealing, and also bank statements. The Lagos state government, they are the ones that are, charging them of all these crimes. The director of DPP, Mrs. Olayinka Adeyemi, told the court that the defendants conspired among themselves and allegedly murdered the deceased on July 15, 2021. That's the Super TV CEO, Mr. Yusuf Ataga. She said the defendants allegedly killed Yusuf Ataga by stabbing him multiple times with knife at his neck, at his chest, and the incident happened at 19 Adewale Oshin Street, Lekki Phase 1, Lagos State. DPP also added that they also allegedly conspired to commit forgery of bank statements of the deceased for 2 banks and allegedly forged international passport and driver's license for Chidinma. DPP also accused the Chidinma Adaora Ojukwu that she stole 2 iPhones, 1 MacBook laptop, ATM cards of Mr. Yusuf Ataga, and she withdrew 380,000 naira from Mr. Yusuf Ataga's account. The offense is punishable under Section 411-233, 365 subsection B, 283-29 of the criminal laws of Lagos State. What actually happened in court, as you can see the video, there are, lots of videos of Chidinma Adaora Ojukwu trending online on Facebook, on so many platforms, where, she was running out of court because maybe they don't want her to come to the media space today. They don't want her to be covered by journalists, but of course her face was captured, her video was also taken. After the arraignment of Chidinma Adaora Ojukwu today in court on Tuesday, prison wardens carried her and Quadri and run away from journalists with cameras following them. Chidinma is on face mask, as you can see her. You have seen her in the video. She's on black face mask, and she used a head scarf to cover her head. They hide her inside another courtroom for over 1 hour, as the news journalists complained. Also, they hid her inside one room for over 1 hour till many journalists left before they now brought her to court into a waiting prison shuttle. There is news also that came out on June 2021 that Chidinma is one of the suspects of the murder of Yusuf Ataga after they found Yusuf Ataga's dead body in one service apartment in Lekki, Lagos State. I don't know how in the video that we watched previously, where she admitted to murdering the Super TV CEO Yusuf Ataga, how she has now changed it. How she's now coming in full glare of the public. To tell us again that she's not the one that's responsible for the death of Super TV CEO is funny. we can't. I don't even know how to dissect that. I don't know how to believe that. But all I know is that she's going to face the full weight of the law, and justice must be served. All we know as of now is that Super TVCO was murdered by, allegedly, let me use the word allegedly, murdered by Chidinma Adora Ojukwu. But today, she pleaded not guilty in court. And her sister, who also was in possession of Super TVCO's iPhone 7, pleaded not guilty. And some others that were involved, one Mr. Debayo Quadri, also pleaded not guilty. But that's not enough. The trial will begin proper on November 9, 2021. And that's when we'll know the whole truth. As the trial continues, we'll know how this case or how this matter will end. Trust Nigerians. So many Nigerians, have not taken it lightly with Chidinma Adora Ojukwu's appearance today. Because some people were like, how on earth is this lady still alive? Why haven't they murdered her and all that? And some others were like, somebody who murdered Super TVCO and she's catwalking. So many Nigerians, had so many observations, different, mixed observation today of Chidinma's appearance in court. And they are like, she's staying in a room that has AC because she's so fresh and all that. So many people complain that, oh, nothing has changed. She's looking quite okay. Like some others are like, Chidinma has become a celebrity that everybody wants to take cover of her. Everybody, journalists wants to, capture her. They want to video her. They just want to interview her and all that. But that's not enough. Whether she's a celebrity or not, the truth remains that she's the alleged murderer of Super TVCO, Yusufu Ataga. And as the main trial will begin on November 9, we are going to find out the whole truth, how the Super TVCO was murdered. So guys, what do you think of Chidinma Adora Ojukwu's case today? There's a scene that was created today by the prison warden when they started run. When she started, the one prison warden started running with Chidinma Ojukwu in court today. She was running with the prison warden, and journalists were also running with her. Now, I want to ask the question: what is wrong in, maybe taking pictures or videos of her? What is wrong in journalists covering Chidinma Adora Ojukwu's case, maybe videoing her, taking pictures of her? Because it was funny today in court, as you have watched in the video. What do you think of Chidinma's plea today? She pleaded not guilty. Can you believe that? Can you believe that Chidinma Adora Ojukwu is not guilty of the crime or the accusation or the alleged murder case against her? What do you have to say? Please make that known in the comment section below. Thank you guys.